How to use Google Maps to find the distance between 2 points. Hey guys, welcome back. So Google Maps now has an amazing feature from which you can measure the distance between 2 points. So let's say I want to measure the distance from this McDonald's to the end of this road. So what I can do is I can click on McDonald's, and if you scroll down, you will see the entire listing, over here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my pin and just drop it right beside. Now, once you drop your pin on the particular location, you have this option called Measure Distance. So click on Measure Distance, and now I can take my little map and zoom out, and I will place the cursor or the icon to the end of the road. Now, once I do that, you guys will see I have the total kilometer of 1.773 kilometers of distance on the bottom left of my screen. I can click on Add Point, and then I can go ahead and start measuring the distance. So if I want to go across this little park over here, I can click on Add Point, add another point, and let's say I want to add another point. So in this way, I can measure the distance between different points and see how long or how large of a distance I might have to cover to go somewhere. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.